Many men paid a price for us to have the freedom that we have. And many people want to come to America because of the leadership that we do have. And you know, a few years ago, my husband and I recorded an album called What America Needs Most Is to Pray. And honey, I ask you to join me today, and let's sing a song that we did on that album called The American Medley.
Okay, glad to be here.
Good to have you.
Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above. O'er the mountains, through the prairies, through the ocean, white with foam. God bless America, my home, sweet home. America, America, God shed His grace on thee and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. His truth